It's been more intimate, which has been nice because it's not just a room full of people where you can really ask questions and really gain a lot more knowledge that way. Hi, my name's Ann. I'm a dentist in Waynesville, Ohio. I've been practicing since 1994 and I went to Ohio State Dental School. The building is beautiful, the facility is wonderful, and the course has been great. Some people go to courses just to check the box to get their continuing ed. With this course, I really want to learn more, and I really go to continuing ed to really better my dentistry. And by doing hands-on, you will get better because you actually visibly see and you'll utilize it more. Sometimes you go to classes and you learn a lot, but you never even touch what you learned because you don't do hands-on.